Introduce features with you. Search maybe in DNA motoring TOOLS-00231 up to 2176 PSI pressure 2.4 GPM max flow, electric pressure washer. Features highlight or overview summary are include. High pressure washer, high effective brush motor with strong power. Water pressure is 20 times higher than the city water pressure and 1.5 times higher than car washing facilities water pressure, easy and convenient for all household cleaning and car wash. Portable and upright style, one-piece machine with removable gun and lance, the big wheels, DIA 17 cm, for easy movement. With auto stop function, saving your energy and money. Detergent bottle available connecting to gun, easy to wash away stubborn dirt. Convenient to store, high-strength engineering plastic machine body, hang hook for wire and gun storage. Humanized components storage design, if necessary, holder for accessories could be fixed and fix brush and rotary brush could be used conveniently. Adjustable spray nozzle, the lance nozzle is changeable to allow you to adjust the spray shape including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees to meet the needs of various functions of washing. Ideal for your cleaning needs like washing cars, wall face, floors, patios, windows, decks and corners hard to be cleaned by manpower. Self-suction function, self-suction makes it applicable without city water. It allows the pressure washer absorbing water from water tank or well, 1 meters of suction, automatically. With good water filtration system, apply to various water sources. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.